Are you ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? In this video, we'll explore the best drones designed to capture stunning landscapes, thrilling moments, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring the great outdoors, these drones will help you record every breathtaking detail. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, Xiaomi V198GPS Drone. Looking for an advanced drone with cutting-edge features? The Xiaomi V198GPS Drone. This professional-grade quadcopter is packed with technology for incredible aerial photography and smooth flying. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, weighing just 236 grams. Equipped with an 8K ultra-high-definition camera, it delivers stunning, crisp visuals. The drone features a complete omnidirectional sensing system, ensuring precision in forward, backward, lateral, upward, and downward movements. Plus, its advanced image stabilization guarantees professional quality footage every time. With a maximum flight time of 30 minutes and GPS functionality, the V198GPS is perfect for extended adventures. Its powerful 3000 mAh battery is also replaceable, keeping you ready for longer sessions. Control options include an app, remote control, and Wi-Fi connection, making operation intuitive. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this drone's laser obstacle avoidance system keeps your flights safe and enjoyable. Take your creativity to new heights with the Xiaomi V198GPS Drone. Fourth product on our list, LYZRC L200 Pro Max 4K Drone. The LYZRC L200 Pro Max Drone, a professional-grade quadcopter designed for smooth, high-quality aerial photography. With its lightweight build of just 216 grams and sleek silver gray design, it's both portable and stylish. The drone is equipped with a 4K UHD camera mounted on a 2-axis gimbal, ensuring stable and crisp footage. Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature and level 5 wind resistance make it perfect for outdoor adventures, even in challenging conditions. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers a flight time of up to 25 minutes on a single charge. With a 3,000-meter remote control range, this drone is built for long-distance exploration. Easy to control via app or remote, it's ready to use straight out of the box. For enthusiasts seeking reliability and performance, the LYZRC L200 Pro Max is a top choice. Third product on our list, Holystone HS720E. The Holystone HS720E 4K designed for adventure drone. This drone boasts 4K UHD resolution at 30 FPS, capturing every moment with crisp detail. Its 130 degrees wide field of view and 2-axis gimbal ensure smooth, stable footage, even in windy conditions. The HS720E is equipped with GPS and smart features like auto return and follow mode, making it perfect for beginners and pros. With a robust 46-minute flight time and a range of up to 1,000 feet, you'll enjoy extended exploration without interruption. Control is seamless with its 5 GHz FPV connection and app integration. The 4-channel controller supports Mode 1 and Mode 2 for versatile handling. Plus, the brushless motors and anti-wind design keep it steady indoors or outdoors. Lightweight at 495 grams, this drone is built for portability and durability. Ready to take your aerial photography to the next level? The Holystone HS720E is your ultimate flying companion. Second product on our list, Potensic C0 4K Video Drone. The Potensic C0 4K camera drone combines professional-grade features with portability. Designed for both beginners and seasoned pilots, this mini drone delivers stunning 4K UHD video. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures every shot is stable, even during high winds, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor use. With GPS functionality and app control, flying the Potensic C0 is simple and intuitive. It boasts a 6-kilometer remote range and a flight time of up to 30 minutes, keeping your creative options open. The lightweight design, under 249 grams, eliminates the need for complex registration in many regions. The package includes everything you need: batteries, a remote controller, USB cable, and operating instructions. The powerful brushless motor enhances durability and performance. Whether you're traveling or gifting, the Potensic C0 is the ideal companion for capturing unforgettable moments. Ready to elevate your aerial photography? The Potensic C0 is waiting to take flight. First product on our list, F7 GPS Photography Drone. The F7 GPS drone is built for serious aerial photography. Featuring a detachable 4K camera with a 120 degrees field of view and a 3-axis gimbal, it delivers ultra-stable, high-quality footage. The 5x digital zoom lets you capture distant shots with ease, perfect for any filming adventure, even at night. This drone excels in low light thanks to its advanced camera and larger CMOS sensor. Captures stunning night scenes with clear, vivid details. With 75 minutes of flight time from its 2600 mAh intelligent batteries, you can explore longer. Plus, the F7 offers a 2000 m altitude and 6-level wind resistance, making it ideal for challenging environments. The smart GPS ensures your drone always returns home safely, even if the battery is low or the signal is lost. Ready to elevate your photography? The F7 GPS drone is the ultimate choice.